When a child goes missing in Canada and certain requirements are met, an Amber Alert is issued to notify the public. The goal of the alert is to find the child before any harm can be made. A new pilot program which will notify the public of missing and murdered Indigenous women, girls, Two-Spirit and gender diverse people, or MMIWG2S+, is set to be implemented here in Manitoba. It's called the Red Dress Alert System, and it's a partnership between Ottawa and the province. Joining us now from Mama Way are Denise Cook and Alaya McIvor. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
Thank you so much for joining us. Now tell us how this will work exactly, because it's a pilot program with the government, the federal government, and Manitoba.
Yes.
Only here for now. So tell us about this phase of the project.
Right now we're in the phase of gathering information and developing. So we're going to be, we have been going to communities to talk to people who could provide us with information on helping us develop the Red Dress Alert itself. So we're going to, we've been to 21, we've had 21 sessions with community,
okay.
Not just within Winnipeg, but all over Manitoba. So we've gone to the north and we've kind of had engagement sessions with the community members there. So we really want to have a good sense and picture of what things are being done now and how things could change with the Red Dress Alert.
Because right now, if a woman goes missing, what happens?
So, in partnership with community organizations and Winnipeg Police, a BOLO is put out and partners with some sister community organizations, such as Bear Clan organization. We'll release that information along with the Winnipeg Police missing persons. Yeah, so that's
the process right now.
Currently.
Under this new system, the goal is to do what?
To ensure that an alert goes out immediately or as soon as possible. It depends how whichever means would be the most effective for anybody.
Okay.
So we're thinking of everyone in the province, not just like people that are in service range. So it's just kind of seeing who and what the needs are of the community, so and what the abilities they have with information sharing.
So it would either be radio or television, cell phones.
The most efficient way to get the information out as soon as possible.
Why is it important to do this?
Because it's not being done now, and there's different ways that people put out the information about someone who's missing. Mm-hmm. So social media is always used, and there's different posters that are used. So like the timing is important when we're thinking about connecting with the greater public to, you know, have them involved in being able to address, you know, the MMIWG2S+, plus, you know, gender-based violence. So we want to ensure that the information gets out to them as soon as possible. And timing is important because we really believe that this alert could save lives.
And so right now you're in the information gathering phase of this.
Yes.
You are asking for help from the public. What do you want us to do to support this?
Well, we have a survey, and people could access our survey, and it could be for anyone in the community or public that wants to have their input to the Red Dress Alert. And so it's on our website right now.
And so you're in the midst of working on this. Once it's in place, the goal is to expand it across the country. Is that right?
Well, it could be a framework for other jurisdictions and nationally for other organizations or other places to use. So it could be that framework and model that they could use for. It's very innovative, and we always say to the people that we're connecting with in the community that this is like that this hasn't been done yet for them, so we want to make sure that their voice is heard and we connect with them so that they can give us their insight to something that could be possible.
Well, thank you to both of you for sharing this with me, and again, if you want more information, we do have a link on our website.